Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs iqeda ukukhipha istatement-ke ukuthi bona no-Coach Nabi sebadecide ukuhlukana. Kusho ukuthi u-Coach Nabi officially-ke sekahambile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nayi istatement se-Kaizer Chiefs, but Kaizer Chiefs and head coach Nabi hereby confirm that following constructive engagement, they have mutually agreed to conclude their professional relationship on amicable basis. Chaza ukuthi finally Kaizer Chiefs no-Coach Nabi they've agreed on ama-terms. Ama-terms bafethu ukuthi u-Coach Nabi bakwazi ukumkhokhela whatever they are khokheling him, i-percentage, i-settlement, finally bakwazile ukureacha i-conclusion ne-settlement, because that was a very difficult thing, because u-Coach Nabi were expected 10 million from i-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-salaries wakhe lawa bewasele bafethu, because beyasaselelwe unyaka and ne-possible renewal i-clause yakhona, so asiwazi ukuthi ama-clause ukuthi bewathini. But-ke the coolest thing ukuthi finally-ke Kaizer Chiefs sezokwazi ukuthola omunye head coach. If they want a brand new head coach, bazokwazi ngempela ukumthola after-ke ukuconclude i-deal yabo no-Coach Nabi. It was not an easy thing to do bafethu. Why? Because of imali, includeka imali laphana eserious bafethu, or eserious ukuthi laphana bahambisa u-Coach Nabi. I don't know ama-terms-ke, because Kaizer Chiefs yabo ayi-announce-anga ukuthi u-Coach Nabi bamxoshelani because of irrespect. Involve ama-lawyer. They can't say it out there in public, even if uNabi benecala. Why? Because of bazobe bangcolisa igama lakhe ne-reputation yakhe overall laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke Coach Nabi is officially gone from Kaizer Chiefs. Masithi siyabheka i-record lakhe le ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu li-good, at the same time it's not that convincing because of ama-wins wakhe namagoli eshawekho that convincing. Akenzanga kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but into esingamncoma ngayo bafethu enhle kakhulu ayenzile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ubalethele i-Nedbank Cup, waqeda i-drought ya-Kaizer Chiefs ya almost 10 years bangawini izinto. So uzokhunjulwa njengo-coach ngempela okwazile ukwenza izinto zenzeke, abadelivele i-cup ezi-Kaizer Chiefs. It was not an easy thing to do obviously, but-ke ukwazile ukubenzela leyo nto leyo. So uzokhunjulwa as umuntu after 10 years obalethele i-cup. So sobona ukuthi what's next for ama-assistant coach wakhe laphana u-Coach Nabi, ukuthi azosala abo-Ben because of abakhiphanga i-statement ukuthi ama-assistant coach ayaphi, ayasala noma ayahlala. But I think they will announce that if bayadecide ukuthola lese u-coach entsha, because bayidinga i-head coach bafethu ezoba ne-authority e-right ngempela ukuthi ikwazi ukulead i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu bafethu edinga i-coach yangempela, ayidingi abantu abangakazi ba-coach professional, because masiwabheka lama-coaches wethu bafethu awakazi a-coach a-professional at all, zero experience ukuthi ba-coach baba ama-first team coach and then ba-coach i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, a-team of this magnitude. So they have to try and get to coach. Sazi ukuthi bazothola banana ukuthi ubani ofitha i-bill yokuthi angaba i-next coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. It's not an easy thing, but Coach Nabi is gone. Maybe uCoach Nabi sethole any team or is negotiating nenye team, i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukumnika i-settlement encane or ayimnikanga i-settlement at all, because if uCoach Nabi usayina nenye team, i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukusave imali, or they will be able to recoup some of the money that they paid him if uzokwazi ukusebenzela enye team ingakafiki, which is June 2026. If uzokwazi i-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi izosave still imali eningi, bazokwazi ukuhamba bayodonsa kuleyo team leyo, because i-contract yaka-Coach Nabi ne-Kaizer Chiefs iphela 2026, or bavele bayikhansela nge-mutual agreement. Izinto ezinjalo izinto ezi-applyayo-ke laphana ebholeni, especially ebholeni professionally. Simfisela inhlanhla going forward. Structure se-Kaizer Chiefs, uBen Yusuf ubani no-Ben, uBen Yusuf no Cedric, yibo-ke at the moment abaphethe iy'ntambo laphana. Well, it has been proven they're not well equipped ukuthi bangakwazi ukulead i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater height. They need a coach ozoba strong, ama-players azomrespecta overall, authority yakhe ezoba strong. Coach Nabi njengoba ngishilo i-record lakhe bafethu bamkora amagoli amaningi, and then Coach Nabi was able to create ama-opportunities, ama-goal scoring opportunities for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but ama-player they were not able to convert. Abantu bebakhala ngebhola laka-Coach Nabi bathi hayi li-complicated because abayiboni i-direction under Coach Nabi e-right for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So maybe izinto-ke nanokuthi-ke le project lena enkulu ya-this year bafethu, which is i-CAF Confederations Cup namanye ama-cup abawadlalelayo bebangamboni uNabi as umuntu well equipped equipped ukuthi angalead i-Kaizer Chiefs. Inkinga ze-Kaizer Chiefs no-Coach Nabi-ke bafethu aqali manje kudala zikhona. Asibuyeleni emuva kancane. uNabi uwine i-Nedbank Cup, but already phuma iy'ndaba zokuthi bazomxosha. And then bebangazwani kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke mina I've seen i-arrogance kaNabo. uNabo arrogant bafethu. La muntu lo akatshelwa yonke into ayishoyo yena right. I'll take people back to ama-conference. If not lezi zinto lezi zase-TV, khona ama-conference lawa athendwa ama-journalist bafethu. If you can check ama-conference ka-Coach Nabi, nizoyibona i-arrogance yakhe, the way aphendula ngakhona, the way a-approach izinto ngakhona. So ziningi izinto yena on a personal scale uCoach Nabi bekazokwazi ukuzi-improve, but-ke bebona ngathi wazi zonke izinto compared to abanye abantu. Maybe uKaizer Chiefs bekunzima ukuthi badile naye ukuthi bamtshela ukuthi hayi bo coach zama ukwenza kanje nakanje nakanje, but-ke naye akekho umuntu bekamlalela uze uKaizer Chiefs nge-experience yakhe azibona ngathi mkhulu, but egroundini ama-results bengekho. And behlezi kakhuluma complaina nge-process. Abantu bebecomplaina ngebhola lakhe bekavele athi ngibekezeleleni i-process lento lena kuthatha isikhathi, ama-results ngeke uvele uthi uzowathola. But bekubonakala ngathi i-team seyiyahlangana, especially the way abaqale ngakhona i-season, but at the same time abanye abantu banokuthi ama-assistant coaches lawa akhona laphana ethimini ye-Kaizer Chiefs yiwo enza izinto zenzeke, especially ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs iqale i-season entsha, high expectations, 5 games undefeated. I-Kaizer Chiefs this season iqale ukushaywa mekubuya uCoach Nabi bafowethu. So without uCoach Nabi they were undefeated. And then Coach Nabi came back, guess what? Zaqala isibhaxu bafowethu. So simfisela inhlanhla is heavily linked with ama-teams wase-Tanzania, ama-teams wase-North Africa. Une-experience, i-CV yakhe yamvumela ukuthi ama-teams amaningi like angamsayina because umuntu ngempela ongakwazi lese ukuletha maybe i-philosophy yakhe maybe kwamanye ama-country izofita because of e-South Africa zange isebenze bafowethu. As much as we win i-Nedbank Cup, but-ke ubheke ukuthi ku-league ufinishe as number 9. And I remember ku-conference enye ethi uCoach Nabi ucoach uthi mina ngicoacha i-team enkulu which is i-Kaizer Chiefs, so every season we're going for all ama-cup lawa on offer izinto ezinjalo. And that day he was frustrated, bekakhuluma ngale English yakhe-ke, and I watched him ngaleyo bit of arrogance ngasho ukuthi it's gonna be very difficult. You're not getting the results but you're arrogant. Imagine when you are getting the results. But-ke simfisela inhlanhla uCoach Nabi. Abanye abantu obvious online ba-divided, bathi ubalethele icup bekumele bamgcine uCoach Nabi, but abanye at the same time but hayi, as much as ayilethile i-Nedbank Cup umfowethu, but-ke ibhola lakhe azange balithande abanye abantu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So bona ukuthi uzophelelaphi, uzoyithola i-team before the end of the contract yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because Kaizer Chiefs they will be able to recoup some of the money settlement if uthola enye team, or ngeke ayithole enye team, uzo-relaxa nje until i-contract, until kufike i-30 June 2026. Asazi. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.